Story problem part 1. A school has 200 pupils if 80 pupils of them are girls. Find the ratio between the number of boys and the number of girls. If you need to find the ratio between boys to girls, I need to find the number of boys at first. Number of boys equals 200 minus 80, it's equal 120. Write boys to girls. What mentioned first, write it first. He asks you to find the ratio between number of boys at first to girls. Write boys to girls. Under boys, write the number of boys, which is 120. Under girls, write 80. Now we have a ratio between 120 to 80. We start to simplify this ratio, because ratio must be in the simplest form. Divided here by 10. 120 divided 10, it's equal 12. 80 divided 10, it's equal 8. Both of them even. We checked it 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and so on. But here I divided both of them by 4 to get the simplest form 3 to 2. This is the ratio between boys to girls. Complete. The ratio is a method to compare between any two quantities of more or more of the same kind and unit. The ratio equal, I need to write the rule of the ratio. If I need to find the ratio between any two numbers, you can write the first number over the second number, or you can write antecedent over consequent. In one of the classes of the first primary grade, the number of boys is 35 pupils and the number of girls is 15 pupils. Calculate the ratio between the number of boys to the number of girls. I mentioned first boys. I need to find the ratio between boys to girls. Write boys to girls. Under boys write 35 and under girls write 15. Start to simplify the ratio between 35 to 15. We have 5 in the unit, divided both of them by 5. 35 divided 5, it's equal 7. And 15 divided 5, it's equal 3. Both of them prime numbers, that means this is the simplest form. The number of boys to the number of girls equals 7 to 3. The ratio between the number of girls to the number of all pupils in the class. All pupils here, it means the total of the class. Can you find the total of the class? Yes. Total of class equals 35, which is the number of boys, plus the number of girls, which is 15. It's equal 50 pupils in the class. I need to find the ratio between girls to all pupils. I will write girls to all. The number of girls, which is 15, to 50. And start to simplify them. 5 and 0 we divided here by 5. 15 divided 5, it's equal 3. And 50 divided 5, it's equal 10. And this is the simplest form. 3 to 10, this is the ratio between the number of girls to the number of all pupils. The ratio between the number of boys to all pupils. I need boys to all. Write boys to all. The number of boys is 35 and all pupils equal 50. 35 to 50. Here we have in the unit 5 and 0. Divided both of them by 5. 35 divided 5, it's equal 7. And 50 divided 5, it's equal 10. And this is the simplest form. A salary of cleaning worker is 400 LE monthly. He spends 340 LE and saved the remainder. Find the ratio between what the worker spent to his salary. I said spend to salary. He spent 340 LE and his salary is 400 LE. I need to find the ratio between spend to salary. 340 to 400. Start to find the simplest form. Divided here both of them by 10. 34 to 40. Both of them even. Divided by 2, it's equal 17 to 20. 17 is a prime number. Can you divide 20 by 17? No, that means this is the simplest form. The ratio between what he saves to his salary. Did you know how many he saved? I need to find the number of save, the remainder part from his salary after he spent 340. How can I find it? Saves equal 400, which is the salary, minus what he spent, 340. It's equal 60. 60 LE, this is the amount of what he saved. I need to find the ratio between what he saved and his salary. Save to salary equals 60 to 400. Divided both of them by 10. 60 divided 10, it's equal 6, and 400 divided 10, it's equal 40. Both of them even. 6 and 40 are even numbers. Divided here by 2 to get the simplest form, 3 to 20. The ratio between what he spends to what he saves. Spent to save. He spent 340 and he saved 60. Start to find the ratio between 340 and 60. Divided here both of them by 10. 32, 34 to 6. Divided by 2 because they are even numbers. 34 divided 2, it's equal 17, and 6 divided 2, it's equal 3, and this is the simplest form. We know that perimeter of a square equals side times 4, side equal perimeter divided 4, area of a square equals side times side. If you need to find the perimeter and area of rectangle, perimeter equal length plus width all time 2, area equal length times width. If you need to find the length, area divided width. If I need to find the width, area divided length. In the triangle, in any triangle you can find its perimeter by find the sum of the three sides. Any triangle, to find its perimeter, side plus side plus side. But special case equilateral triangle, its perimeter equals side times 3. If you need to find its side length, equal perimeter divided 3. In the following figures, a square of side length 5 cm and a rectangle whose dimension are 10 cm and 4 cm. Dimension here, it means its length 10 cm and width equal 4 cm. We need to find the ratio between the perimeter of a square and the perimeter of rectangle. At the first, I need to find the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square equal side times 4. 5 times 4, it's equal 20 centimeters. This is called the perimeter of a square. I need to find the perimeter of rectangle. Write the rule. Perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all time 2. Length plus width all time 2. 10 plus 4 all time 2, and get the answer 28 centimeter. Now we have the perimeter of a square and the perimeter of rectangle. Find the ratio between perimeter of a square to perimeter of rectangle. 20 to 28. Both of them even. Divided both of them by 4 to get the simplest form, 5 to 7. The ratio between the area of the square and the area of the rectangle. We need to find the area of a square, side times side, 5 times 5 equal 25 square centimeter, and the area of rectangle, length times width, 10 times 4 equal 40 square centimeter. I need to find the ratio between area of a square to area of rectangle. 25 to 40. Divided here the two terms by 5, because we have 5 and 0 in the unit. 25 divided 5 equal 5, 40 divided 5, it's equal 8. The ratio between the length of the rectangle and its perimeter. We have the length is 10 to 28. Even divided by 2, 10 divided 2 equal 5, 28 divided 2, it's equal 14. The area of a rectangle is 32 square centimeter and its width equal 8 centimeter. I need to find the length of the rectangle. If we need to find the length of the rectangle, we need to draw the magic triangle of the area. Area up and length and width down. Height the length to find its area over width. To find the length, we write the rule area over width. Then write the number of the area 32 over 8. It's equal 4 centimeters. This is the length of this rectangle. The ratio between the width of the rectangle and its length. Write width to length and write 8 to 4. Even and even we can divide by 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, but here we divide by 4 to get the simplest form 2 to 1. The ratio between the length of the rectangle and its perimeter. Length to perimeter. We need to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Length plus width all time 2 is equal 24 centimeters. Rewrite the ratio between length to perimeter, 4 to 24. Then divided here by 4 to get the simplest form, 1 to 6. In the opposite figure, a rectangle with width 4.5 cm and its length equal 9 cm. Find the ratio between the length and the width. Write length to width. Under length, write the number of the length 9 cm and width 4.5 cm. We have same unit here. Cancel the unit and start to simplify this ratio. But here we have a decimal number. I need to multiply the two terms of the ratio by 10 to change into whole numbers. 9 multiplied by 10 equals 90. 4.5 times 10 equals 45. We have 0 and 5 in the unit, divided here by 5. 90 divided 5 equals 18. 45 divided 5 equals 9. Even and odd, we divide by 3 or 7 or 9, but here we divide by 9 to get the simplest form, 2 to 1. The ratio between the width to the perimeter. Width to perimeter. We have found the perimeter before, which is equal 27. 4.5 to 27. Multiply here by 10 to change it into whole numbers. 45 to 270. Divided here by 5, 9 to 54. Divided here by 9 to get the simplest form, 1 to 6. I need to find the ratio between the length and the perimeter. We write length to perimeter and write the number of length is 9 and the number of perimeter equal 27. Divided here by 9 to get the simplest form, 1 to 3.